are organic tomatoes that I just bought prior to this demo. Farmers would put pesticides, right, so that the vegetables would preserve longer and get to the grocery stores. But what happened when it rained? Pesticides wore up. So the solution to that, according to our scientists in lab, is let's make these oil-based pesticides so when it rains, it doesn't wash off. Well, the same thing happens when you bring them home and you try to wash them off, right? So this is 11.5 water. We're going to pour it in one. And let it do its cooking. And then I'm going to take water. Label tap water, and we're going to pour that in this one. And we're just going to let it sit there for a minute. Actually, let me do this so we know which one is which one. While that's doing that, I'm going to show you another quick demo. What's the one thing that we remember from high school lab about oil and water? They don't mix, right? They separate. So I have some sesame seed oil, and I intentionally got a dark oil so that you could see it. And we're going to pour a little bit of tap water in this one. Right, and it does just exactly what you expected. It's going to separate. Give it a minute. And put some oil emulsifier in this one. And you can see it's already starting to break it down. You can stir this, and then it's going to separate again. So you can see that the 11.5 is an oil emulsifier, and it literally breaks up the oil in water. It's going to do the same thing to your oil-based pesticides. I wash all my produce and my veggies and all my fruits in this before we eat them. Pesticides are a carcinogen. It's another way that we get this toxic poisoning, all right? So we'll come back to that in just a couple minutes so you can see for yourself. Testimonials.